Computer science videos here today to show you guys how to download multiple videos at the same time on Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Make sure we are signed onto our Instagram account, navigate to the post that contains multiple videos, and then we will take the URL and then go to Google, type in Instagram video multiple clips, Google search, go to 10insta.net, and then we are ready to click on the post, take the URL, Command C, Control C, or right click, copy, go to Instagram downloader. In this box, we will Command V, paste the URL, download now. And then we can also download the thumbnails, but we are just interested in 3 of the videos. So video 1, download, video 2, and video 3. Download 1, download 2, and download 3. The video should pop up on my screen after the download has finished. That's download 1. Download number 2. And download number 3. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.